Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into a market update here. Just in, FAIRDESK and JUMPEX are shutting down. You guys know we did some live trading on JUMPEX, guys. No KYC, and really love the platform. But just got news last night. I got a message saying, "Hey, heads up, this is coming from someone on the team." So definitely wanted to let you guys know as soon as possible. Here's a good update, pretty much saying get your money off. And you guys know we don't even hold really money on exchanges. Everything's self-custody outside of what we're trading. But even when we're done trading, it's off of there. So we don't hold much of anything. But here, just got news that JUMPEX and FAIRDESK are stopping trading on October 18th. Okay. For everyone that has funds on these two exchanges, you must withdraw all your funds by November 30th. The reason is because North America regulation, which is making shareholders and investors nervous. He's saying that we're surprised, but do not expect to be any liquidity issues. Now, with that being said, no matter what, you guys know you do not want to be a part of any funny business when it comes time. And when it gets closer to that date, I would make a move ASAP, right? I would make a move immediately. And you guys already know our stance. We don't hold anything on exchanges anyway. Okay. But this is another reason on why you should not hold significant amounts of crypto on exchanges. Anything can happen. When you hold it yourself, it's on you. Like, you don't have to worry about any of this. Your wallet, you're good. Have it tucked away, have it gone. It's fine. But when you have it on exchanges, you're almost left at the mercy of those exchanges, guys. So definitely wanted to highlight this here. They did a notice. So since the official launch of FAIRDESK cryptocurrency exchange in 2021, it has played a positive role in providing high quality trading services to a large number of traders. However, with the development of times and policy changes, we decided to permanently shut down the website on November 30th. That would be, okay, get off now. Like, get out there now, because the closer you get to that date, the more funny stuff's going to start happening. Oh, due to the number of withdrawals, we just can't keep up. Like, we've seen it all. Okay. So future and spot position will be closed October 17th, which is in 6 days. And we will only retain withdrawal function from October 17th. In addition, withdrawal function will be retained until November 30th. Guys, just get it off now. Get out. Yes, we have used the platform. Yes, we did live trading. I don't care. Partner or not, this stuff happens. You guys matter more. Get it off immediately. So, but I did like JUMPEX platform. FAIRDESK has been around for a while as well. Really great team. But they made that decision, and you have to act accordingly. But this is another reason why you keep your crypto off exchanges, not your keys, not your coins. You guys know the phrase, and this is why you should move accordingly. So going into another market update here, Bitnomial sues SEC over claim that XRP is a security. So the XRP token is already regulated as a commodity, and the SEC duplicates and compounds the regulatory burden by saying it's a security. Bitnomial said in a lawsuit. So the crypto exchange sued the U.S. SEC and its 5 commissioners, accusing the agency of overextending its jurisdiction over digital assets. Bitnomial claimed in October 10th lawsuit filed in Illinois court, saying that XRP is already regulated as a commodity, and SEC asserts jurisdiction over a product that is already regulated by and subject to the exclusive jurisdiction of Commodity Futures Trading Commission. The exchange added, in doing so, the SEC appropriately duplicates and compounds the regulatory burden on Bitnomial. In August, Bitnomial, which the CFTC approved in 2020 to trade crypto futures, filed a self-certification with the CFTC to list XRP futures contracts on its exchange. The exchange said the SEC contacted it and asserted that XRP futures are securities and required Bitnomial to register as securities exchange before listing all products. So pretty much what's happening, right? SEC was pretty much going to war with XRP. In doing so, it impacted what they had going on, and they're pretty much saying, okay, now it's a commodity, you overreach, so now they're pretty much gonna be seeking for some type of compensation for that missed opportunity that really impacted their business. So we'll see how that plays out. A ton of lawsuits going on back and forth. and we'll see how that plays out here. So a ton of articles coming out. A lot of people are really looking at Bitcoin right now, and really are on edge, right? What's going to happen, guys? Weekly time frame, you see that it is a bearish candle in the week so far, but we need to break this red. So the white level of resistance that gets broken, okay, but the red needs to be broken too, whether it's first or second. Both need to be broken to confirm that we are going to the moon and when. That's how you're going to be able to time the market appropriately. And that's how you're going to be able to time the market appropriately. So definitely pay attention to that. And, we take a look at the charts, right? We see what's going on. We see all the different biases, right? But one thing that holds true to most of us crypto people, content creators, that we have a long-term approach, right? We see fear, greed pulling back, but we realize that is opportunity. We realize that the opportunity is on the pullbacks, guys. So how do you know? How do you know what to look at? Look at what hasn't lost. Pretty much you look at the projects that have formed some level of support and didn't just completely get wrecked with all these moves. Okay. So you guys know we talk about H bar a lot. So that's the easy one I can talk about just because we cover it a lot. So if you look at H bar, right, we look at the price and, we go to the chart here and we see that, with that chart, we see that there is a level of, so it didn't really lose its price with everything that's going on. Okay. Like you see here, it's found a level of support. It didn't get completely wrecked. Okay. It went up, everything dumped, and it stayed within this range for the most part for all year, for probably since January 2023. It's been staying within this range. Okay. Right. So that's a project where you're like, okay, it's solid. The odds are in our favor. Nothing's guaranteed, of course, right? But the odds are in our favor that, this project has withstood the test of time. It's withstood volatility, and it's found a bottom, and it's found that stability. And that's what we want to look for. Okay. Another would be like Cardano, right? Cardano. And so we look at Cardano. It's stayed within this range the entire time. Okay. And we'll move these real quick from old charting, but we'll move this over, and we see here that it stayed pretty much within a range. Okay. Within a range. It stayed within it, and it's pretty much been, actually, you can actually pull this down, but it's pretty much been within range, consolidating through this uncertain times. And that's kind of what I want to see. Those big swings that you see, something goes from up here into just slashing down and doesn't really have a bottom, doesn't really have a level of support. That's what concerns me. So another thing you want to look at is cult-like following. You want to look at a cult-like following. So we see Cardano, right? And a lot of people, don't necessarily like that. You see Cardano, and you see the following and the people behind the Cardano project, right? Cult-like following is something that you want to see. Okay. You want to see that, and you want to see, really how people believe in the project. And, that's the same attributes of success that we've seen in previous cycles. Okay. Is there a level of support, right? Is prices whacked out all over the place with no level of support? Okay. Is there a cult-like following? Cardano has that. H bar has that as well. So if you look at H bar, you look at Hedera. Okay. Hedera has that as well, without a question. Okay. Cult-like following, and pretty much people that are pretty much staking their entire portfolio on these projects, right? That's something that I want to see. Okay. And the risk to reward ratio is another thing, right? So those are some attributes. I really wanted to highlight some attributes here today to go over what are we looking at. And we'll kind of go through our top altcoins that we think have the best risk to reward when we're looking at price. Okay. Everyone wants to know how we did it last time. Okay. We're going to go step by step, what we look for and why. You guys know our picks already for the most part, but there are some picks that we haven't talked about that have that risk to reward ratio that makes sense. Okay. So pay attention to that, guys. We're going to be covering that in the next video. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. See you soon.